I'm going to show you how to use the subquery. Okay, subquery is basically just a query inside another query. So at the moment I'm displaying the authors and the replacement value from the CD table. Okay, so the authors and the replacement value of CDs owned by a specific artist. And if I check over here, I think the artist there might be more than one artist, the same artist, like Psalm 41, and there's another Blink 182. Yeah, there's two Blink 182s. So I'm thinking about doing a subquery. Okay, I'm going to do a subquery. I'm going to get the average of the Blink 182 CDs, and I'm only going to display the artists that owns a CD that's more than the average of the Blink 182 CDs. So I'm going to use a where clause here, where the replacement value is more than. Okay, now I'm gonna do a new query. This is my subquery. Select replacement value the average replacement value from the CD table as well. Where artist is equals to Blink 182. Okay, so this is the main query over here, and this is the subquery. So it's first gonna execute the subquery. So it's gonna check, select, get the average replacement value from the CD table where the artist is Blink 182. So it's gonna get the average value of those CDs, and it's basically gonna put it there, and then it's gonna read the main SQL statement. So it's gonna display those fields from the CD where the replacement value is bigger than, and then it's going to use the value that it received from this subquery over here. Okay, so, and I need to put this subquery in round brackets as well, so that it will first execute this and then move on to the main query. Okay, so it's going to first calculate the average replacement value of the artist that is Blink 182. I assume it's somewhere below 120, and then it's going to do the main query. It's going to only display the artist and the replacement value from the CD where that replacement value is bigger than the value that it received from this subquery, which I assume was around about less than 120. So subquery is just a query inside another query. Stuff that you must remember is that you must put the subquery in round brackets, and the subquery will be executed first, and then that value will be used in your main query to display whatever you want to display.